Hello guys! Welcome back to my channel. Ngayon this is the continuation or the part 2 of our Baguio vlog. In this video, lipat po kami ng hotel. Ang hotel na lilipatan namin is Hotel Tugos. I vlogged in Hotel Tugos 3 years ago. At doon din kami nag-check-in sa Hotel Tugos last year noong January. Wala kasi akong vlog noon that time. Kakagising lang namin. Now we will eat breakfast in the breakfast hall of the hotel. Same, the breakfast hall is same. Here is the breakfast hall, the same. The name is Olive Cafe. Dito din kami kumain kagabi nung birthday ni Stacy. Ito yung breakfast ng Olive Cafe. Ito siya. Waffles, eggs scrambled and fried. Hi Stacy. Brownies, I think. Soup. Ito yata salad section yata.
One eternity later.
Check out na kami dito sa Venus Park Hotel. Ngayon ay lipat po kami ng hotel. Pero bago kami lumipat ng hotel, lunch muna. Bago mag-check-in sa hotel na paglilipatan namin. Dito na po kami sa paglilipatan namin hotel, Hotel Tugos. This is also our hotel 2 years ago in my vlog in Baguio. Also, last year, doon din kami nag-check-in. Supposed to be, we will stay in Baguio for only one night. Pero naisip namin na mabibitin yung mga pasyal namin. Kaya dito kami nag-second night sa Hotel Tugos. Ito yung kwarto namin sa Hotel Tugos. So, medyo parehas siya. May nag-iba lang siya ng konti. Ito siya.
One eternity later.
Ito na yung dinner namin, Magdasal. Bumili din kami ng Victoria's Bakery na iuwi namin. Kanina sila nanay, bumili sila ng pasalubong in the market here in Baguio City. So please subscribe to my channel, and this will end my vlog here. We'll see you soon. Bye.
100% dandruff free.